Hey there, Tri-5 enthusiasts. Welcome back to Classic Chevy Revival. And today, we're talking about the world of 55 to 57 Chevy restorations and modification styles. From the timeless elegance of restorations to the adrenaline-pumping excitement of pro street builds and pro touring builds. There's something for every Chevy enthusiast out there. Well, if you're like me, an avid Tri-5 fan, an owner, or just someone who enjoys the car hobby and does not know exactly what these different types of restorations or builds are, we're going to try and explain them in this video. But remember that these are just general in nature, and your explanation may vary some from ours. Classic car restoration involves bringing vintage vehicles back to their original condition or customizing them to suit different preferences and styles. One common approach is the restoration, which focuses on meticulously refurbishing a car to its factory specs, ensuring it looks and functions as it did when it rolled off the assembly line. And another popular style is the resto mod, where classic cars are restored but also modified with modern upgrades like high-performance engines, advanced suspension systems, and updated interiors for improved performance and comfort while still maintaining the classic aesthetics. Additionally, there are pro street cars which are built primarily for drag racing, but they are still street legal, boasting heavily modified engines and other components to maximize performance on both the street and the strip. Pro touring cars, on the other hand, are extensively modified for road racing, featuring upgraded suspension, brakes, and other components for superior handling and performance on both the street and the track. And lastly, street machine cars are highly customized vehicles designed for street use, featuring powerful engines, custom exteriors, and personalized interiors aimed at enhancing both performance and style. Each type of restoration or modification style offers a unique driving experience and caters to the different preferences within the classic car enthusiast community. Alright, so let's take a quick look at resto mods. A resto mod auto blends the charm of a classic vehicle with modern enhancements, and these cars undergo restoration while incorporating contemporary technology performance upgrades and updated amenities. Some key features include a modern drivetrain, enhanced interior comforts, subtle exterior modification, and integration of modern electronic systems. This fusion offers a unique driving experience that appeals to enthusiasts seeking the nostalgia of vintage cars along with the modern conveniences. Looking at restored cars, these cars are vehicles that are meticulously refurbished to their original factory condition or as close as they can get to resembling that. This process involves repairing or replacing worn parts and refinishing surfaces and refurbishing mechanical and electrical systems. And the goal is to preserve the historical integrity and authenticity of the vehicle, making it sought after by collectors and vintage car enthusiasts for its craftsmanship and historical significance. Revive your classic Chevy with paintscratch.com. Hey everybody, this is Kevin from Classic Chevy Revival, and as the leading provider of professional grade automotive paint, they offer over 100,000 custom colors. With over 50 years of experience, their family-owned business guarantees a perfect match for your vehicle's original color. From touch-up paints to full restorations, trust paintscratch.com for quality and precision. Visit our website, ClassicChevyRevival.com, and click the link to revive the beauty of your Tri-5 Chevy with paintscratch.com today. Street machine cars are high-performance vehicles customized for street use, prioritizing power, style, and personalization. These cars feature powerful engines, custom exteriors, upgraded suspension, personalized interiors, and are designed to be street legal as well. And they offer exhilarating performance while reflecting the owner's individual tastes in automotive customization. Moving on now to the Pro Street cars. Pro Street cars are high-performance vehicles which are primarily built for drag racing but designed to be street legal also. They feature heavily modified engines, transmissions, and suspension systems to maximize performance while maintaining streetability. These cars often have extensive customization to enhance acceleration, handling, and overall speed, bridging the gap between, let's say, street driving and drag racing. Let's look at Pro Touring now. Pro Touring cars are extensively modified high-performance vehicles designed for both street driving and racing on road courses. They feature upgraded suspension, brakes, tires, and engine components to excel in handling and performance on both street and the track. These cars offer a balance between power, agility, and comfort, appealing to enthusiasts who enjoy spirited driving experiences. Also, one class we didn't mention, and that would be the unfinished class. These Tri-5s are sometimes a work in progress, not yet fully restored or customized. I've seen several of those, sometimes in a parade, It wasn't a rat rod, but clearly in the midst of transformation. And in today's social media era, where perfection is often expected before unveiling, this unfinished project serves as a reminder of the joy of driving and the journey of restoration and customization. So that's just a quick look at some of the ways you can change your vehicle from either unrestored or to a modified vehicle, Pro Tour, whatever floats your boat, and possibly as well as your pocketbook. So thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of classic Chevys. We hope you enjoyed the ride and learned something new about these iconic vehicles. And if you want to see more content like this, don't forget to like and subscribe to ClassicChevyRevival.com. Remember, whether you're behind the wheel or under the hood, it's all about the passion for classic cars. So keep driving and reviving those timeless treasures. And until next time, happy Tri-5-ing.